Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot in your PC. So without wasting time, let's just start this video. First we need to search in here Snipping Tool. You can see this. Open this app, and here we need to click on new. Like this, you can take a screenshot as you like. Now go to file and click on save as. So now this time you can easily save your screenshot. Click on save. I'm going to close this one and I'm going to open my image. Now you can see my screenshot in here. So in this way you can take a screenshot in your Windows. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.